Okay, so in this quick video, we're going to see how to switch off the request sign-off feature in a SharePoint list. Why would you want to switch off that feature? Well, quite often in a SharePoint list, if you've implemented an approval process using Microsoft Flow, that can be really, really useful because it allows you to implement forms like this along with custom approval processes behind the scenes to meet business requirements. The problem is Microsoft have this out-of-the-box request sign-off feature. That request sign-off feature can be accessed by end users on the context menu for each list item, and there it is. It's a feature called request sign-off. It can be confusing for end users because when they see that, it can then look like that's also the approval process or the sign-off process that perhaps you've implemented using Flow. And in fact, this request sign-off feature doesn't really do that much. It does request sign-off from a nominated user and stores some details in the SharePoint list, but it doesn't use the actual approval process that perhaps you've implemented. So the ideal is to switch this off. How do we do that? Well, it's actually pretty simple. What you do is in the SharePoint list itself, go to the integrate option in the ribbon here, go to Power Automate, configure flows. Here you are then able to turn off approvals in this library. Now that is the out-of-the-box Microsoft approvals. It doesn't affect any custom approvals that you've implemented using Flow. So you go ahead, click on save to store that off. Let's refresh the page. And now when we go back to the context menu for the item in question, you'll see now that request sign-off option is now gone, therefore avoiding any potential confusion or any hassles for your end users.